Hello kids! This is teacher James Lee. Now, we will learn the letters of the alphabet. We will start with letter A. And A is for An. This is letter B. And B is for Ball. This is letter C. And C is for Candy. This is letter D. And D is for Duck. This is letter E. And E is for Envelope. This is letter F. And F is for Fish. This is letter G. And G is for Goat. This is letter H. And H is for Hanger. This is letter I. And I is for Ink. This is letter J. And J is for Jacket. This is letter K. And K is for Kite. This is letter L. And L is for Leaf. This is letter M. And M is for Mango. This is letter N. And N is for Net. This is letter O. And O is for Orange. This is letter P. And P is for Pencil. This is letter Q. And Q is for Queen. This is letter R. And R is for Rainbow. This is letter S. And S is for Sun. This is letter T. And T is for Table. This is letter U. And U is for Umbrella. This is letter V. And V is for Vase. This is letter W. And W is for Wallet. This is letter X. And X is for X-ray. This is letter Y. And Y is for Yarn. This is letter Z. And Z is for Zipper. Very good, kids! Until next time, thank you for watching!